Good day to you all viewers. And in this video, I'll be giving you some clarity on how to answer a question like this in the function. Okay, for which values of x is f of x greater or equal to 0? Right, let me show you here. F of x greater or equal to 0. What must come first is to understand this notation in words. This notation just represent this. They wanted to indicate where this f of x, this is the graph of f of x that I'm talking about, right? They need us to indicate where f of x is above the x-axis or above the ground. All right, there we go. So this is our x-axis. Remember, this is our y-axis. F of x greater or equal to 0 indicates where f of x is above the x-axis or above the ground in words, right? So we have to take it practically before we answer this question here. Let us go through the graph. So if we can decide to put one child here moving along the ground, right, so moving along this x-axis, right, and this child is observing the graph, right, she will only see the graph from +1 going upwards. She will then again see this graph this side from -5 going upwards. Okay, she cannot able to see this part from -5 going down up to this, because this part, it is below the ground. Only the part that is above the ground is from +1 going upward and -5 going upward. All right, so there we go. How do we answer this question in fully now? Now they want us to find the values of x. The values of x, remember that along this x-axis we're talking about the values of x's, right? So you have to check from +1 going to the right. Okay, when this graph keep on moving upwards. When this graph keep on moving upwards, it is causing the values of x to increase, right? And the values of x that we're talking about, all of them, they are greater than this +1 here. Okay, this side, when this graph keep on moving upwards, it is causing the values of x to do what? To keep on moving as well, but they're doing when they're decreasing when they move on the left hand side direction. Okay, but what is the relationship between all the values of x that are decreasing compared to this -5? All the values of x are what? Are less than this -5. Then this side, all the values of x are greater than this one. So that would be your solution. How to write it? You're gonna say it is where x, it is greater or equal to 1, or where -5, it is greater or equal to the values of x. -5 greater or equal to this x. This would be the solution.